Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of English grammar. In this video, we are going to identify a subject in a sentence and the verbs included. Before starting the video, I would like you to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We can see when you have a sentence, English sentence, you will be given with subject and predicate. You have to identify what is a subject and what is a predicate in that. So the part of the sentence where you have the noun, basically place, name, place, thing, they are known as noun. And those words or that part of the sentence is known as subject, and the rest of the sentence or the phrase having the verbs with them are known as predicate. So our focus is on the subject and we have to know which are the verbs used. So what do you understand by this word verb? Verb is any action word that takes place, like jump, run, eat. These all show some kind of action. So these words can be categorized as action word or verbs. And subjects are basically nouns. Now some examples are given here. Let's check which of them are noun and which are the verbs. The first one is the dog shivered. So you can see the dog, this is the noun and we call it as the subject, and shivered is a kind of action shown by this dog. That is it is shivering. So we call this as verb. In this case, dog is noun, shivered is verb. An owl shrieked. So shrieked is verb and owl is noun. The moon disappeared behind the clouds. So disappeared is a kind of action by moon. So moon is subject, this is verb. We waited. We can be the subject and waited is a kind of action that is being done by us. So it is verb. Nobody said a word. So nobody can be subject and said is the action word or verb. For a moment, nobody even breathed. This nobody is the noun. So we call this as subject, and breathe is the verb or the action done. A light rain fell on our heads. Fell is the verb. This verb can be changed to its other forms of present tense. Present will be there like fall, fell, fallen. Okay, like that you have got three forms of the verb. You can't do that to the subject or the noun. The leaves, subject, trembled. See, everything is in past here. So this is verb. Our hearts beat faster. So beat is the verb. Then the black skies opened up. Open is the verb. The black sky subject or noun. Furious flames lit up the night. So this is verb. The other is subject. Next one is an exercise given for practice where you have to identify the verb. Underline the verbs twice. I went to the park today with my brother. So which is the verb here? I went to the park today with my brother. So what is the action done? Went. It's in the past form. So this is the verb here, not I. Mom baked cookies for us. So mom did something. What did she do? She baked cookies. The dog barked at us. Dog barked. The action done by dog is barked. The car drove fast on the road. So what did the car do? Drove. Okay. So these are the verbs. Try out the other examples as well. This will help you to understand verbs better. Now let's go to the next topic, identifying the subject. I went to the park today. So I is the subject. It usually comes before the verb. We have already identified the verb went. So just before went, I is available, that is subject. The noun is the subject here. Baked, that's the verb. Just before the verb is the subject. Next example, barked, dog. The dog is the subject, car is blue and white. So you can't see an action happening here. So the subject is the car. We are going to visit our grandparents. So we are the subject. Try out the other examples as well. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.